Right now, the countdown is on for people who have a Georgia medical marijuana card but aren't able to buy it in the state. The program is scheduled to begin helping patients in May or June after years of delays. 11 Alive's Don White joins us now live outside of a Midtown Atlanta dispensary where that wait will soon be over, Don.
Well, Jennifer, I'm here outside of the Atlanta dispensary, and the owner here applied for a dispensary license to sell medical marijuana. The state will award those licenses through a lottery system. The Atlanta dispensary already sells CBD and hemp products.
We've applied, but we're actually in the process of putting our application in, to become a dispensary to be able to sell the CBD with 5% THC.
They also hope to be one of the dispensaries selling medical cannabis, available as low THC oil.
It's very, very positive for the state and for the patients, which we have about right at 30,000 almost of medical card holders.
A medical marijuana card in Georgia costs $25 for 2 years.
Patients are required to get a card, which is first initiated through a visit with their doctor. They have to have one of the 18 qualifying conditions that the state has outlined.
Botanical Sciences is one of 2 companies licensed to grow medical marijuana in Georgia. CEO Gary Long says dispensaries will likely be able to finally sell cannabis oil within a few weeks.
They are then able to go to one of our dispensaries around the state. Also, our state has authorized independent pharmacies to also dispense the product.
Trulieve is the second medical marijuana manufacturer in the state.
The stories of one mother in particular, her son going from hundreds of seizures in a 24-hour period to less than 10.
Some of the conditions eligible for the program include people with cancer, AIDS, Alzheimer's disease, and chronic pain.
They're going to be able to get the medicine that they've been trying to get. So many have been having to go out of state to try to get what they need, and it's going to be just so much more convenient for the residents of Georgia.
The owner here thinks that low THC oil is a good start to the state's medical marijuana program, but he does think that it should eventually be expanded to include edibles, pills, and powders.
All right, Don, we will certainly see. Thank you so much. Well, this whole legal battle is winding down after nearly 8 years. Georgia first legalized medical cannabis in 2015, but nothing happened for 4 years when Georgia actually started the program. In 2021, 6 growers were granted licenses, but legal challenges held them up through 2022.